At McCue, we keep people safe where they work, shop, and play. Why do we do it? Maybe it's for the glory. Maybe we've seen too many videos like this. Maybe we grew up dreaming of safety barriers engineered from elastomers and high tensile steel. It comes down to our drive to innovate. We saw a problem and solved it. Who thought of that? Now back to it. We need crash barriers, we need bumpers, we need outdoor shelters, we need motivational corporate posters. We need to solve our customers' most challenging safety problems. What's that?
It's a bumper sign.
Sure, why not? Let's crash into stuff again and again and again and again. Not because it's oddly satisfying, because it has to work and look damn good doing it. We design it, we make it, we install it, we stand behind it. We're setting these standards for safety. That's the McCue difference. Your world protected by McCue.